Today we'll discuss about how to use this page layout tab. And the page layout tab, it is more important like how we want to print out it. So the page view will show what is the print view also. And I can use this orientation to select what is the page orientation, like which orientation I am going to use to print. Next, we have here one more, like what is the size of the page, so that I can select in the page layout. Okay. The next in the ribbon we have like margins for that page. If I change the margin, it may go more than 2 page, so I can make it like narrow so to fit into one page. If it is not fitting also, I can make it like uh, automatic, so I can fit that into one page. Okay. When I'm fitting into one page, there is a possibility that font size will change. Okay. uh, like where I want to show the headings or not, that all option I can see here. Okay. So this is the more important in the, like, formatting of Excel sheet is done in the page layout. Like before to print taking a printout, like how we can adjust this content in that page, that we can do in the page layout. Okay. Okay. Next, yeah. So here in the print view, I can change the uh, page breaker. Page breaker here, it is there between row 14 and 15. Between row 14 and 15, I selected that and deleted it. Now I have the same values in two pages. I can insert the page break also, clicking on uh, one row and clicking on insert page break. Like under page layout we have break, so it will insert one page break. Okay. I can select this and drag up or down to change my page break position also. Next, print area. The print area, like if we have more data, okay, and I want to print only set of data, then I can select that values and set this as a print area. So it will only print where there is a value, or where which one we have selected. So we can see here print preview, it will show only the selected uh, cells or selected rows. Okay. Yeah. Next, okay. So print preview, now you can see here the two pages there, and all the columns are in one page. So that is by making the, like it is automatically set all the value to one page. Okay. Next we have print title. So print title is like we have to select we have to tell which row should be there in all the pages. Okay. So print title will print. Now here we have this student text test result, and the each columns what is the value that is there in from A1 to uh, okay, A1 to I mean I have one four rows. So four rows, that four rows I have selected. Okay. So I have fixed this is a uh, title area. So in the print preview also we can see this title is coming in all the pages. Okay, this is the use of this setting the title. Okay, page title. And in which way we should print also we can select in the page order. You can see there in the fourth row of that extra pop-up. Okay, yeah. Next we have like we want to display grid line or not, all these we can select in the uh, page title only. Okay, now I'll come back to themes. Yeah, we have a set of themes, so if I change the themes it will automatically update my background color. Okay, background color of the sheet depending on which themes you are selecting, and depending on like different text also, different type of font also, it will change the, it will, I mean, update all the fonts, color, background, everything. Okay, this is the use of your page uh, layout. Thank you for watching.